Clarence, what are you doing? He says, my humans were gone all day. I didn't get my dinner. It's 3 hours late, and I'm angry. Hey, what are you doing? Clarence. Hey. She's not even doing anything. She was just walking by.
Do you not like my dress? Do you not like it?
Oh, that's what he was after, the string probably. Clarence. Hey, bud, you about went over. Hey. Say hello. What you doing, bub? What you doing, pretty boy? They don't try to smack the phone. See what he does. He doesn't like the phone because he knows it takes attention away from him. Hi. Hi, handsome. Clarence. Hey, psst. Clarence. Kiki. Say hi. He's being feisty. We've been gone all evening. He's angry all day, really. He's been home alone. Don't scratch, Mom. Be a good boy. His food that we bought him, you know, it's not good enough for him. This is why I think he's angry. He sniffed it, he licked it, and now he's sitting here angry. What do you want? What? Tell me about it. You don't like it? I'll try it again. Oh, now he's going to eat it. He's going to make a liar out of me. Clarence! Oh, well, that's all for now.